welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick, probably date night eyeshadow for spring or for prom. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm going to be starting with my 15 Artist Shallow Palette by Makeup Forever. I'm going to be grabbing the color you see me pointing to is D-830. It's a beautiful brown shimmery color, and I'm going to pretty much just put this on my lid. As you can still see here, I'm still blending. When you use cheaper brushes, you're gonna have to blend a lot more than what you usually would with a regular, expensive or least expensive brush. So here you guys, I'm just telling you that I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit better later. As I drop a little bit lower, I can still take some brushes and just blend that out, or I can just take some concealer and just place it all on the pigments that kind of drop on your cheek. You know what I'm talking about, ladies. And here I'm still dragging the color out, just blending out as much as I can. Just focusing on making these two shadows on both of my eyes matching as much as possible. Next, you're gonna see me take Milani eyeshadow primer. It's lightweight and it's in the color Nude. I'm gonna be applying that on both lids. It says to apply on clean, dry lids. Well, my lids are dry, just got a little bit of shadow on it, so I'm gonna be taking this and placing this on both sides. What you guys see me doing here is just blending that primer out. I'm gonna begin and grab my blue shadow pigment in I-662 and apply that on my lower lid. I'm really impressed right here because this color is really pigmented. I really love this palette. It's one of my favorites. It was a gift from me from one of my aunts, and I just really love it. So as you see here, I'm just putting it on my upper lower lid only, if that makes sense. But what I'm going to be doing here is just gently pressing it upon my lid. So now I'm just doing this to both lids now. As you can see, some of the color is dropping down to my lower eye, and I'm not worried about if it gets in my tear duct or on my cheek, because that's something that it can be easily wiped away or put on with concealer. So just continue watching, ladies. Here you can see me taking a silver color and just blending it into my eye. I'm really not worried about how this really looks at this point, because I'm really just going to be blending this out into the darker color that you see. So just gradually taking it and just blending it out. So this is what I was talking about here. the cleanup, my favorite part. So pretty much what I'm doing is taking that concealer and drawing a line. And pretty much what that is going to do is just clean everything up. And you know, we got to do our highlight and our contour. So boom, boom. I'm taking my brush by EcoTools, and what this is going to do is just help me blend out that concealer a little bit better than the Beauty Blender. I'm just dragging it out, swooping, get on the nose, underneath the eye, on my cheek. Just blend that color out really, really, really good. So what you see me doing here is my contour. It's another important part of getting ready. And this shade is going to get blended out. I'm just blending this color up and out, and it's really pretty. Dragging it up and out, up and out. I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium Deep, number 30. My favorite stuff. Oh my goodness. I don't really do the baking anymore unless I'm doing a primer or something, but ready right here, I'm just blending this out. Because at this point, I'm just ready to see the finished look. I'm showing you how I do my highlight. I hold my brush two different ways. If I'm doing it along the cheek, I hold it in the wide V. And if I'm doing it up on underneath the brow bone, I'm gonna hold it in a smaller V. Now I'm just taking it and doing it on my left side. Is it me? Do y'all like kind of model when y'all putting your makeup on, or am I the only one? It's kind of like you have to test out that look. Oh wait, am I doing it right? Is this gonna look good in a selfie? So right now I'm just gonna play with something right quick. I'm taking this gold color by Ruby Kisses. I got this at the beauty supply store. I just wanted to test this out. You know, I didn't know if I wanted to put it on my eyeline but I just did something with it. And then after I apply it, I'm actually gonna blend it out. This is the infamous eyeliner tutorial now. So what you see me doing is drawing my wing. The eyeliner I'm using is by e.l.f. and I think it was $1 from Target, so shout out to e.l.f. So as you can see, you see kind of two wings on the end, like a maybe feathered tip on the end of my wing, but I kind of like it like that. I've been doing that a lot lately. What I'm doing now is just applying my Maybelline mascara before I apply my lashes. Okay, ladies, so I think I just threw that. I totally threw that on there. Don't judge me. I'm taking my Kiss Perfect Precision Lip Liner. I'm just going to bold that out on my lip because I like my lip liner kind of bold now. And now you're going to see me continuing to bold it out. I'm taking my LA Girls Lipify lip color in the color shade of Giddy. And I really like this. It's like a soft neutral pink. It just makes my lips really, really pop. So what you see me doing here is showing off my look. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Baddie. This is a perfect look for date night, prom, just something quick, going out with your girls, going to church, going to fellowship. Just something really, really fun and flirty to make your eyes pop, to make them stand out, and to make you just look great for the night. Thanks, ladies. Alright, ladies, all these products were provided by me. None was distributed by any companies whatsoever, and I did it all by myself.